All right, I'm going to replace the grommet that is missing or completely fell out of there with this 3D printed one. And it looks like it's fitting beautifully like the original. And I'll show you the pin that goes in there. There are 4 of these on each side. There's one. There's one there. And then there's another there for the entire cover on the robot. So let me reset the camera and I'll show you one of the pins to see if it'll actually fit in the grommet. Okay, here's the robot cover, and they snap in place in those holes with these pins, and you can see the grommet fell apart on the, sorry, the camera's not focusing. I'm not really sure why, but you can see that the grommet fell apart on the, same on that one. So I've taken a pin out, and what's going on with the focus on this thing? There it goes. And we'll just see if it actually fits into the pin that I put down right there. So let me lift Theodore back up here, and we'll try it. Get that in the camera view. Alright, and we'll just see if it actually fits in there. Oh, it's going to be great. It fits beautifully. Yeah. So I'll print 7 more of those, and then we'll have all these new grommets ready to go. Okay, I've printed and replaced 4 grommets for Theo, and we'll Theodore is pretty chatty this morning. Alright, I'm getting these pins prepared. I'll put this one back in its missing slot, and we will tighten them a little bit. Okay. Just about to fall out. You get rid of all of these fragments, and then take the cover and line it up with the pins and pop it in place. Oh yeah, it's popping in nicely. Feel those pins grab. Good. So there we have it. Theo is back into the saddle with his covers aren't banging off.